In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money in Ctrader. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to avoid common pitfalls so your funds appear in your trading account smoothly. First, identify your broker. Ctrader is the trading platform, but your money is held by the broker connected to your Ctrader account. Different brokers and even different regions can offer different deposit methods, processing times, and fees. Make sure you know which broker your Ctrader login is linked to and confirm their accepted payment options and any restrictions that might apply to your country or currency. Next, log in to your broker's client portal. This is usually on the broker's official website under a section like Client Area, Portal, or Dashboard. Always use the official link, enable two-factor authentication if it's available, and avoid public Wi-Fi for security. If your account hasn't been fully verified yet, complete any required identity checks, as many brokers won't accept deposits until verification is done. Once you're in the portal, find the Deposit or Funds section. Some brokers label it Finance, Wallet, or Cashier. That's where you initiate funding. If there's more than one wallet or section, look for the one tied to trading accounts rather than partner or bonus wallets. Choose a payment method that fits your needs. Cards and certain e-wallets are typically the fastest, often near instant. Bank transfers can take longer, ranging from a few hours to several business days, depending on your bank and region. Check for fees, daily limits, and the deposit currency. If you choose bank transfer, copy the exact reference number the broker provides so the funds are routed to your account correctly. The name on the payment method should match your trading account name. Select your Ctrader account. If you have multiple accounts, pick the exact one you want to fund and note the base currency. Funding in the same currency helps avoid conversion fees and rate fluctuations. Enter the amount and confirm. Review any fees, the net amount that will arrive, and the processing time shown on screen. Complete any security prompts, like 3D Secure for card payments, and save the confirmation or transaction ID for your records. Finally, open or refresh Ctrader. Launch the platform or web app and check the accounts or balance area. If the funds don't appear immediately, give it the stated processing time, then refresh or relog. If a delay exceeds the typical window, contact your broker's support with your transaction details. That's it. Follow these steps through your broker's portal, double-check details, and your deposit should land in Ctrader without a hitch.